Hi there and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a little bit different. We're not at the seaside, we're at the Royal Armouries in Leeds, which is one of the biggest selections of anything to do with war, military, even some police items here. So come on and I'll show you some of the highlights.
You're going to show me your thumb. Is it missio or sin missio? Is it mercy or without mercy? Let's make it simple. Is it live or die? Show me your thumbs. Oh, okay. All right. It looks like that you're supposed to get away with it. Some of you here have voted that he should live rather than die.
I know.
Some of you might be confused, or dare I say, you don't know Latin. So let me explain it to you. If you voted thumbs up, that means to thrust the sword in.
Do your research.
So, if you voted thumbs down and you wanted him to die, well, you got it wrong, because that means to sheathe the sword. Now, we don't know if that's actually what happened. In fact, we don't know if there's any evidence of thumbs at all, or if it is purely made up. So instead, let's make it easy. We're going to cheer to decide his fate. You cheer after live or die. Ready? Would you like him to live? Ah, boring. Who wants to see him die?
You are horrible people. That would be murder.
That would be murder, so we're not going to do that. But thank you very much, everybody.
So, that was the armouries. So, gladiators, armour from medieval times, even modern weapons. It's certainly interesting. Good afternoon trip round. Well worth a trip. Anyway, see you on the next one. Bye for now.